Enjoyed it so much, and I'm so happy for our students. Brilliant ideas that they shared, that they really put it into action.
My experience is really fun and educational. I learned a lot about entrepreneurship.
What if students could use AI to build businesses that help people and the planet in just 2 days? Welcome to Greenpreneurship, where we fly international entrepreneurs directly to your school. We teach students in groups of 5s how to use AI and boost the creative thinking in a way that turns local environmental problems into innovative startup solutions.
Not just about earning money, but it is also about solving problems in our community.
Our mission is to inspire students, families, and local organizations to work together in creating a cleaner, safer river for future generations.
What e-waste is a business that recycles electronic wastes and turns them into solar-powered energy.
Students will develop the creativity, teamwork, leadership, and confidence. And at the end of the 2-day program, they will get an Australian International Certificate, which leads into the University Pathway Diploma and unlocks global opportunities and scholarships. The Boss Your Future Greenpreneurship Hackathon has been built to shape students into green leaders that use AI and innovation to make the world a better place, meanwhile developing global skills and becoming a future change maker.
This program really helped them to actually make them believe that they are and they can be boss in their eras.
This is something that I would recommend to all schools and young students to really encourage them to be entrepreneurs. And the reaction of everyone here is an exciting day for them. Amazing how kids are so interested into entrepreneurship.
Enjoyed it so much, and I'm so happy for our students. Brilliant ideas that they shared, that they really put it into action. This is an amazing experience. I would highly recommend this to the different schools.
My experience is really fun and educational. I learned a lot about entrepreneurship.
It's very eye-opening. You really realize how important things like this are.
I felt inspired, especially when using technology to save the environment.
This program is very good, not only for our school, but I think all other schools. To those who organize this program, congratulations.
I recommend this program, and I hope to see the Academy of Entrepreneur team again next year.
Contact us today to bring Greenpreneurship to your school.